And here's the Blueburn 47XL. It has all the features of the other previous models, except for the fact that, again, this has a laser cut unibody constructed frame as we had showed on the 45SC and preceding models, and it has an all stainless header with an access point heat exchanger. It has everything here that is properly sized header and pipe with a super airtight stainless steel interlocked hoses, super heavy duty. Everything is easy to get to. This machine is amazing. This can do a lot of work activities with the same machine. Our working pressures are up to 2,500 pounds pressure, and this is a quiet model. It's not real loud. It has accessibility to 12 volts for a demand pump or pump out features. Oil drain out hose, handy to get to. Filters at the top. Complete control panel, hand adjusted unloader. A drain out for your mix box or the actual water box for your pump so that you can winterize it. WD-40 for low protection of your blower, your inlet to your water supply. Last step injection. Your 2 ports that you can operate 2 different wands off of this high out manifold. So one could be even pre-spraying, the other one could be pressure washing. But this machine, like I said, will do it all. This machine is a multifunctional unit, and it has condensed operating instructions for a startup and close down, when you're shutting down the unit. All the precautions and everything you need to know is in the manual that comes with it, along with flash drives, instructional tapes, to help you along the way in understanding the operation and to optimize the use of this machine. This is a beautiful machine. It does everything that you want it to do. And it does have dual wand capability, and we build our systems, our air pump, blower systems, vacuum systems are all free flow. There's nothing tying down the vacuum system. It's straight in and straight out. As manufacturers suggested, a lot of these companies are putting preheaters on there and obstruction and lower inlets. The inlet is a reduced diameter size, which ultimately affects the differential and also causes the high and low pressure system to be offset and create an enormous amount of overheating. This system will do the job. This is quite the machine. We have a preheater at the bottom for the cold winter months. We have an adjuster here for your pullback on your blower to keep all your belts tight. We also have an alignment tool in the back as well. That keeps your angular adjustment perfect all the time. The same with the belt. We have, for the belt on the water pump, same thing. Pull back, keeps it nice and tight. And also an adjuster to adjust the alignment as you're pulling back. Because as you're pulling back on the crankshaft, this wants to wander off its angular adjustment. And this will be a true guide to an easier belt installation and alignment. And you can get your hands under here. That's the beauty of it. It's very easy to unloosen the bolts on these units. It's not like you have to take smother covers, louvered covers off your unit just to get into your unit, feeling all stressed out at the end of the day. And what happens, your belt finally goes after normal wear and tear. Eventually the belts do go. You want to be able to not, have to take this thing and pull a number at John Donne or Interlink and then have to wait there and then have them charge you an arm and a leg just to change a belt. So this unit has been made to be more easier for the end user to maintain and operate and fix. It's a well put together unit, very well organized. And corners came off really nice on our unibody construction, real sturdy 3/16, bracketed feet, wide, easy to mount in any trailer, box truck or van. Just a well put together unit. Our access point heat exchanger far exceeds the pressure rating of all the heat exchangers that are out there. This is new art called access point. And with that, we have 80 feet of high pressure tubing. With that also gives you the heat and the stability that you need to do the commercial jobs throughout the entire industry. So we also have a bypass bleeder to regeneratively take and recirculate it back into here. We also have a diverter box for your flood cleanup, or for, you know, times you want to clean up and you have flood and water extractions. So this unit will do everything and then some. We also have a shut-off for high limit in case for whatever reason that your unit starts to get overheat. This will shut down your engine and protect all your major components. The thermostatic control does most of that. But like I said, we like to be extra, you know, have all those safety guards that other manufacturers don't have. Complete control panel. We have the chemical injection, we have the hour meter, the pressure gauge for your operating pressure, your vacuum, and your temperature. One thing keep in mind, even though a lot of these manufacturers, you know, spec out the pump pressure, they may talk about the capability or potential of the pump, but in most cases, a lot of these manufacturers don't have high pressured coils, so they purposed out a low end pressure system where it will cap off usually at, you know, 1,000 or 1,200. Well, that's no good if you want to go out and do, you know, a series of pressure washing jobs. You want to be able to have that pressure to pull out stains off of concrete, wall washing, all the way through boat washing, cars, boats, as well as carpet cleaning and restoration, mold remedial. I know one guy down in Tampa, he uses this for a mold remedial job. He had a $40,000 job doing mold remedial restoration of a large office complex. Everything is here and what you need. We have the best headers in the industry. Heavy duty, TIG welded, all stainless heat exchanger and headers. So everything is here. Call us today at 727-505-2989. My name is Pete Garland. We'll have more videos for you. We'll also be able to give you demonstrations of all our models. Until next time, thank you.